How's everyone doing today? Welcome back to our 3K to 25 account challenge. We have a really short video for you today. I just wanted to update you on that Netflix swing. We were up $100 at the end of Friday, and we went up another $80. I ended up taking my profit. I actually tried to grab it around 200 flat. That's usually my take profit level for this small account until we get it to a certain level. Sort of 200 pulled back a little bit, and I left with 180 instead. But let's talk about the play. Let's get into it. Exactly, what did I see? Why did I get out? What was on my mind? So give you guys a quick refresher. So this is yesterday. I'm gonna look at this on a 5-minute chart. Remember, we got in. If you saw that last video, we got in at this triangular play here, or this small micro bullish flag play here. I'm gonna zoom in. I saw that breakout coming, and remember, 305 is my sweet spot. I love when Netflix is around 305. Let me just quickly show you why. After they failed earnings, they dropped down. They got basically stopped by 305.87. Retested again the day after, still couldn't break. And then the day after that, it reversed all the way back up to 335 in the next 3 days. So same thing here. We come back down for another retest, one retest, two retest. We get a gap down, but then we get this hammer play going on, which basically, or I should say, Dawn Star play going on, where we then get this gap back up above 305, and then we've basically been retesting 305 a couple of times. So we've been retesting 305 for the last 3 days, but I think this reversal is definitely coming. The reason why I took profit is because the market is completely wacky. It's completely crazy right now. I didn't want to take the risk of holding this over another night and seeing the futures flip over like it did Monday morning. So basically what I seen here, price action, I told myself if this stays below 305, I'm gonna just cut my loss. So what happened? I seen all this weakness, as you can see with the bottom VWap. So this long bullish pin here, more retest, lots of weakness, and then we broke above the middle VWap. So as we broke above the middle VWap, we got back above 305, giving me the confidence that, my play was still safe, because remember, I got in around the 305 level with 312 puts, 312 calls, I apologize. And then I basically rode this back above the previous close. So this is back where we were back above $100 as it closed this line. Basically, that's what this line represents. And then this came in. Now, like I said, I got a little shooken. I seen the $200 profit, so I tried to grab it. I didn't get filled, so I chased the fill as soon as I seen it starting to come back down. I just wanted to take my profits and leave, and then it filled me around this 310.60 level, which left me with about $180 in profit. Of course, I could have stayed in, as you can see, and this basically went all the way up to 313. Well, a high of around 312.56. Yep. Yeah, 312.56. So I'm not too mad with where I pulled profits. I could always re-enter and probably start scalping. I'm probably not gonna swing trade until things die down with this China trade deal and all this foolishness going on in the market. The market is absolutely nuts right now. I don't care if I burn a couple day trades and have to sit a couple days out, but right now I just don't feel comfortable staying in. I mean, this was a really great move here, and we basically capitalized on most of the move, took our profit up here. This was a beautiful bounce off the VWAP again, but at this point when I pulled the profit here, I basically was done for the day, because I knew if I continued to watch, I would want to re-enter for another swing, possibly, especially being that it closed above the middle VWAP. But other than that, tomorrow's another day. Let's see what happens. I'll get into a couple more plays, see if I could get into some short plays, still solidify my $200 a day profit target. Other than that, I'll play it slow until this China trade war talk dies down. But I do want to quickly show you guys something for all the people who actually stayed this far to watch through the video. I'm actually looking at a play on AMD, which I think is really solid. Confirmation on the reversal has been confirmed today. So we basically got this strong push up. Then the next day we pushed all the way up above, making new highs of 35.55. Then sellers brought this all the way back down below the 34.62 level. So this is basically a beautiful inverse hammer play, which was led by another strong bearish play the next day. So this reversal is definitely confirmed in my book. I'm anticipating that AMD will retest this 29.98 level down here. So if I feel good enough to swing, I think I might actually get in and ride this play downwards. Probably get in some puts for 2 weeks, and let's see, basically ride that trend downwards and wait to see if it retests and bounces, or if it breaks lower to that 28 level. So I'm playing this patient, but thanks again for watching the video. I'll keep you guys updated, and let's see if we could get out of this slump. Let's see, hopefully the market starts to recover and we can get out of this trade talk stuff.